when performance is in your blood, only the best of its breed will do. Introducing the KGZ-XD, the meanest, baddest, turf-dominating monster ever to roam the earth. Built to put you in total command of every blade that passes beneath its blacked-out, tricked-out, heavy-duty deck. All-week capacity, enhanced deck for better visibility to get up close. Super smooth, airless radial ride. Maximum blade speed, enhanced rider comfort. Easier maintenance, driven by a fire-breathing power plant, cranking out the highest power-to-weight ratio available today. Plus, every major mowing advancement pioneered by Spartan, made with pride in the USA. All hail the king of the grass. The new KGZ-XD from Spartan. Is your yard worthy?